Hey, I'm Maria. I'm a 2D animator, and today I'm working on another background for one of my personal projects. Each background is connected with a month of the year, and today I'm going to be focusing on November. This sketch is inspired by Bonfire night, which is one of my favourite times of year. But I'm going to start drawing now, so I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so I'm finally done, and here's where we ended up today. So just to show you the entire scene. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Let me know in the comments if you have any bonfire night memories of your own. I'm going to call it a night, and I'll see you in the next one.